Hello guys, welcome to another wonderful session of learning with Prepclass. My name is Tutor Olalekon Israel, your Prepclass tutor, and I am super excited that you are joining me in this session of learning. Remember, the purpose of this session is to help you prepare for your forthcoming JAMB examination. So in today's session, we will be answering question 56 to question 60 from the JAMB English 2019 past question. So before we begin, take a moment to subscribe to this channel. Click on the notification bell so you can be notified whenever we upload any new content. Alright, let's get down to the questions. Question 56. Now, the instruction remains the same like in the previous video where we solved question 51 to question 55. We have to select the best option to complete the gap in the sentence. So, question 56 reads, Many goes to school dash bus. A. Many goes to school in bus. B. Many goes to school by bus. C. Many goes to school with bus. D. Many goes to school on bus. Now, the answer to this question is option B, by. Many goes to school by bus. Now, one of the uses of the preposition by is to show a method of transport. I will go by road. I will go by car. I will go by train. I will go by bus. So, many goes to school by bus. Now, you can be on a bus or you can be in a bus. Now, you can use on or in a bus. I am on the bus. I am in a bus. Now, when somebody asks you where you are headed, say, I am on a bus to Lagos State. I am in a bus. Now, when you are on a call with your friend and he calls you and he says, why is it so loud today? Where are you? I'm in a bus. I'm in a bus. That is why it is very noisy here. Now, with can be used with go. When there is a definite article D, I will go with the bus. But since we do not have a definite article D here, the answer to this question is by. Many goes to school by bus. You can actually be on a bus. You can be in a bus. You can go with the bus. Imagine a situation when you are late for school and your parents actually plans to drop you off in school. You say, don't worry, I will go with the bus. It is different from I will go by bus. So the answer to this question is option B. Many goes to school by bus. Not many goes to school in bus. Not many goes to school with bus. Not many goes to school on bus. With could have actually been an answer to this question if we had a definite article D. Many goes to school with the bus. But there is no definite article D. So showing a method of transport we use by. Many goes to school by bus. What method of transport do they use to go to school? Many goes to school by bus. Okay, moving on to the next question, question 57. The thief ran dash lock when the policeman running after him caught up with him and knocked him down. Remember, we have to select the option that best completes this sentence. The thief ran dash lock when the policeman running after him caught up with him and knocked him down. A. The thief ran into lock. Option B. The thief ran with lock. Option C. The thief ran off lock. Option D. The thief ran out of lock. Now, the answer to this question is option D. The thief was caught. The thief was caught by the policeman. And the policeman knocked him down. So, the thief was caught. So, this implies that the thief ran out of lock. To run out of luck means to be unlucky, to be unfortunate. So the thief ran out of luck. The thief is unlucky and unfortunate because the policeman running after him caught up with him and knocked him down. So the answer to this question is option D. The thief ran out of luck when the policeman running after him caught up with him and knocked him down. Okay, moving on to the next question, question 58. Remember, we have to select the option that best completes the sentence. Question 58 reads, we should take care dash the robbers come back. A. We should take care in case the robbers come back. B. We should take care should in case the robbers come back. C. We should take care maybe the robbers come back. D. We should take care probably the robbers come back. So, which of these options will be the best to complete this sentence? Now, the answer to this question is option A. We should take care in case the robbers come back. Now, the phrase in case is used to mean if something happens. We should take care in case the robbers come back. It is used in order to allow for eventualities and possibilities. it is possible that the thieves come back. It is possible that the robbers come back. So we should take care in case the robbers come back. Now, the answer is option A. Should in case is a repetition. It's a tautology. We can either say we should take care should the robbers come back, or we should take care in case the robbers come back. Not we should take care should in case the robbers come back. Maybe and probably are wrong options. So the answer to this question is A. We should take care in case the robbers come back. Moving on to the next question, question 59. Remember, we have to select the option that best completes the sentence. Now, question 59 reads, the managing director did not pay his staff last month, dash. A. The managing director did not pay his staff last month, didn't he? B. The managing director did not pay his staff last month, had he not? C. The managing director did not pay his staff last month, has he? D. The managing director did not pay his staff last month, did he? Now, this question is based on question tags. Now, the answer to this question is option D. The managing director did not pay his staff last month, did he? Now, to answer tag questions or to answer question tags, the following rules are very important. The following rules are very important. Now, a positive statement must have a negative response, and a negative statement must have a positive response. Now, how do you know a positive statement? How do you know a negative statement? A positive statement is a statement without not, not, or nt. A positive statement is a statement without not, or nt. But a negative statement is a statement with not or nt. So, if the statement is positive, the response has to be negative. If the statement is negative, the response has to be positive. Rule 2. Any auxiliary verb used in the question must be repeated in the answer in the appropriate form. Any auxiliary verb used in the question must be repeated in the answer in the appropriate form. Now, the auxiliary verb in this sentence is did. So, the auxiliary verb has to be repeated in the response in its appropriate form. Now, did is coming in the negative because we have not. The managing director did not pay his staff last month. The managing director didn't pay his staff last month. So, did, which is the auxiliary verb, is in the negative. So, when it is coming in the response, it has to come in the positive. So, the answer to this question is did he. Remember, the sentence we have is a negative sentence. There is not there. So, the response has to be positive. Did he? There is no not in the response. Remember, the auxiliary verb in the sentence is in the negative. Did not, didn't. So, it has to come in the positive in the response. Did he? So, the answer to this question is option D. The managing director did not pay his staff last month, did he? Okay, moving on to the next question, question 60. Remember, we are expected to select the best option to complete this sentence. So, question 60 reads, many lives are lost on Nigerian roads. Dash lack of consideration for other users by many crazy drivers. Many lives are lost on Nigerian roads. Dash lack of consideration for other users by many crazy drivers. A. Many lives are lost on Nigerian roads. In view, lack of consideration for other users by many crazy drivers. This is wrong. B. Many lives are lost on Nigerian roads, resulting in lack of consideration for other users by many crazy drivers. This is wrong. C. Many lives are lost on Nigerian roads, owing totally to lack of consideration for other users by many crazy drivers. This is the answer to this question. Let's look at option D. Many lives are lost on Nigerian roads through lack of consideration for other users by many crazy drivers. The answer to this question is option C. Owing to indicates that something happened as a result of something. Why are many lives lost on Nigerian roads? Because of lack of consideration for other users by many crazy drivers. So, the answer to this question is option C. Many lives are lost on Nigerian roads owing totally to lack of consideration for other users by many crazy drivers. So, many lives are lost on Nigerian roads as a result of, that is, owing totally to lack of consideration for other users by many crazy drivers. So, the answer to this question is option C. Many lives are lost on Nigerian roads owing totally to lack of consideration for other users by many crazy drivers. So the reason why many lives are lost on Nigerian roads is because of the lack of consideration for other users by many crazy drivers. And with that, we've come to the end of this wonderful session. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Click on the like button if you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to drop your comments. If you have any questions to ask us, please kindly drop them in the comment section. Do not forget to share this content and other content on our channels with your friends and loved ones. Thank you for your time. Enjoy the rest of your day.